Tomorrow marks the 12th anniversary of Superstorm Sandy, making landfall in the U.S. On October 29th, 2012, the storm that began as a hurricane then turned into a powerful nor'easter. It made landfall in the U.S. off the Jersey coast. The storm killed 180, caused more than $62 billion in damage, and its impact was felt in 12 states, including Ohio.
I remember I was on the East 55th Street Marina for that Superstorm Sandy. Yeah, it was quite remarkable. You know, after working in Florida for 4 years, I covered many hurricanes.
And then you come up here.
Right, and you know, the major difference was the water was cold.
That's
splashing,
sure.
right? So
Especially
it was
in
very
October.
unusual,
Yes,
this event, wasn't
Yeah, and thankfully we have nothing like that heading our way for tomorrow. Today was an interesting day for us, though. We're going to look at our almanac real quick, and we're going to look at two things, guys.
Okay.
Here's what I want you to notice. Okay,
Yes.
ready? First thing, that low this morning, 35, burr. It was cold. Second thing, those sunrise sunset times.
Oh, yeah.
The clocks changed this weekend. So for no money, but points in the grand scheme of things, what is our sunset time going to be approximately in a week?
Wow. I'm going to say 6:15.
5:15.
Yep, there you go, Lena.
Really?
It's what the time changed. I didn't give you any advance notice. I was trying to trick you.
Well, now
You
it's
guys have
what?
had a long day.
It's what, like 6:45? Anyway, never mind.
We're losing daylight and we lose that hour.
Right.
So yeah, a week from today, when we all go back to work and school after the time change, that sunset is going to hit hard a week from today. So just be mentally prepared for it. Between now and then, we do have some very un-October-like temperatures heading our way. We made it into the 60s today. We're going to get even warmer as we go through the next few days here, well into the mid to upper 70s, especially for Tuesday and Wednesday. Right now, those forecasted highs are just a degree or two off of the records for those days. So we'll see how things play out. But very un-October-like temperatures. We're going to run almost 20 degrees above our average highs. We will keep the warmth and some breezy conditions around into Thursday for Halloween, but then a cold front is going to move through, and that's going to pull in some much colder air for the rest of the week. So we're back closer to and even below average heading into Friday and Saturday. So the warmth can't last for too long this time of year. Our temperatures have actually, in most cases, already reached their lows for the overnight hours. We were back into the 40s for Cleveland. Right now, 51 degrees. That's because we have a warm front moving our way. That wind is coming in from the south. It's going to be increasing as we go through the overnight. So that's actually going to help our temperatures improve through the overnight. We're also going to notice an increase in our dew points for the next couple of days. Those were very low yesterday and today. Notice just a little uptick in that humidity heading into tomorrow. So there's that increase in temperature as we keep that south wind very steady. It is going to be significantly warmer tomorrow morning compared to this morning. It's going to be about 20 degrees warmer for most of us. We'll start off in the 50s. There is a chance we get a stray shower or two first thing tomorrow morning as that warm front actually moves through. And then beyond that, we're going to see some breezy winds and warm temperatures taking over. National Design hour by hour forecast. There's that chance for a stray shower in the morning. It's out of here pretty quickly. We're dry for lunch. Could be a nice afternoon to have some lunch outside, maybe do some outdoor activities, rake some leaves, check out some leaves, any of those fall things that you haven't gotten to do yet. Should be a nice afternoon and evening once you're done with work and school to take care of that. Temperatures in the 70s through the afternoon. So they're going to be feeling fantastic out there. Similar conditions as we get into Wednesday. Relatively mild first thing in the morning, maybe a little more sunshine trying to get into the mix for Wednesday, and temperatures climbing into the 70s. So a couple very nice days for us, and then we get to Halloween. Halloween, we're still going to be warm. We're still going to be breezy. That wind is going to be pretty strong the next few days. Temperatures make it into the 70s, but we are going to be tracking that chance for rain, and it does not look like great timing for any trick-or-treat plans as of right now. We'll see a line of showers moving through as we go through the evening, so that's something we're going to watch very closely. I'm sure a lot of folks with plans for Halloween and trick-or-treat are going to be watching that as well. Rest of that Union Home Mortgage forecast, the temperatures drop back into the 50s for Friday and Saturday. Of course, we changed the clock heading into Sunday, and then we're looking at highs mainly in the 60s for much of next week.